So we're gonna do some dribbling drills ngayon. So 2 balls para at least magpa-practice yung mental focus mo dribbling the ball. Pero yung number 1 rule ni coach, saan ka nakatingin? Sa harap. Okay, wag sa bola. Tumingin ka lang sa bola, pag-aayusin mo, okay? Pag nawalan ka ng balance But after you regain the balance na, tingin ka ulit sa unahan. Okay? So later, baka papikitin pa kita. Okay? So bakit kita papipikitin? Coach, hindi mo nga ako pinatitingin sa babae tapos papipikitin mo ko. Hindi. Yung papipikitin kita para lang makita ko kung gaano mo na ka-ensayado mag-dribble ng bola. Kahit madilim. Okay? So ibig sabihin, kontrolado mo talaga siya. Yan. So una, low. Okay, then after my whistle, transition to medium. And then high. Okay? As kaya mong ipawn yung bola, ipawn mo siya. Okay? As uncomfortable ka, as kung gaano ka maging uncomfortable, do it. Okay? Mahirap talaga. Alright? Then after that, with dribbles tayo. Then opposite with dribbles. Okay. Again, saan nakatingin? Okay, ready, go. Sige. Ready? Stay low, stay low. Nice one. Medium. Pound the ball. High. Pound pa. Sige pa. Okay, magalit ka sa bola. Nice one. Make a low dribble again. Low, low, low. This time, close your eyes. Mabilis na yan. Medium. Nice one. High. Okay, open your eyes. High, high. Big dribbles. Sabay. Nice one. Nice one. Pagod na? Ay pa. Okay, nice one. Ganda ng pawis, oh. Okay, opposite. Okay. Okay, control. Hindi mo kasagi. Okay, this time you close your eyes. Sige, focus. Focus sa bola. Nice one. Okay, big dribbles sa sabay. Big dribbles sa sabay ulit. Nice one. Pound dribble high. High. Pound dribble high. Sige, sige. 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 Low. High. 1. Last 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Very good. Nice one. Sige. Bigyan mo ako. Bigyan mo ako. Nice one.